Workflow at a standstill because of the avcodec-57.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix FFmpeg conflict for good. Quickly resolve avcodec-57 inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the avcodec-57, the FFmpeg audio and video codec library, v57. It provides unmanaged routines for decoding hundreds of media formats. It manages the conversion of compressed bitstream manifests into raw visual and audio data links. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. The avcodec-57.dll library is a critical dependency of the FFmpeg framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the avcodec-57 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like avcodec-57.dll in your System32 folder. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit link below for avcodec-57. If your workstation is back online and avcodec-57 is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.